day one, because as they say, today is indeed the first day of the rest of your life. And with today, we have new opportunities, new chances, time to start again, time to try something new, time to make something right, a day to do something you haven't done before. When you think about it, every day is day one. Last week I posted on Facebook that I've been toying with the idea of doing daily videos for some time, wrestling with it even. It's not my first rodeo doing videos. Heck, I started my YouTube channel in 2006. I hosted and produced the world's first competitive internet reality show back in 2007. And I've been on the forefront of live video, well, since the beginning of streaming live video. But I've been watching some of my friends, mainly Damian Ross on his Road to 300, and David H. Lawrence with his candid daily videos. So I've been thinking to myself, why don't you finally just take the leap and start shooting daily videos? Instantly, the self-doubt begins. What if nobody watches? What if I have nothing to say? What if I miss a day? And many people commented on my Facebook page with a variety of responses. Do it, don't do it. And ultimately, I always do what I want to do anyway. But what's the reason I'm shooting this video today? 2 words. Chris Brogan. Brogan. Chris says, "It's on, I'll do mine today, let's get started." Oy vey. But perhaps it was just the gentle shove that I needed to be on my way. So what can you expect from day one? I have no freaking idea, because every day is a new day. But I promise that I will give you my best each and every day that I shoot a video. Which basically means I'm giving myself the out if I want to miss a day, if I don't feel like doing it, if I'm not inspired, or if I just want to quit completely. You don't own me. I'm not looking to monetize this, and I don't want anything from you other than your engagement. So what would you like to hear from me? Do you want to learn something? Do you have a question to ask me? Do you want to just hear my rambling? React to this video, comment on it, and if you feel like it, share it. Thanks for watching. Do good stuff.